Sappppaning, I tell you exactly what's happening. I got the 65 up on the ramps. Check out these sort of like low body race ramps. How cool is that? For static car, ideal. Does the job. You can remove then the first part there so you can separate them, almost like Lego bricks. But it's an ideal way for me to get under the static car because it is too low for the jack, as you've seen in a previous video. Just check the camera on that as well. So mixed feelings this morning. Where I thought it was just going to be the sump plug underneath leaking, no, engine's got to come out. I'm not joking with you either. Let me just take you under. As you can see, she's dripping beer. But that there, it is dripping there, but the one side of the gearbox is also leaking. So the gearbox has got to come out, and the gear is pretty much torn as well down there. So there's a couple of bits. Not a simple job as what I thought it was going to be. So the plan is, next couple of weeks, engine's going to come out of it, gearbox is going to come out of it. I'm going to put a new clutch in it. Going to fully service it, you know, take the rock covers off, everything's coming off it. It's going to be total redone. Everything's going to be sort of brand new under there. It's going to give me a chance to clean up all the tin where, you know, I might paint that black again. So it just looks a bit fresh. I can't believe it. I thought it was going to be nice and easy, but you know, I'm still going to bomb around locally in it. Locally, you know, because there's still plenty of oil in it, still does the job. But a bit gutted. But more impressed over these ramps, to be fair. Just check that. Brilliant. So I think it's going to be a little bit of work to do. You know, the engines are easy enough to take off, take the wires out, clip them up there, and literally you have 4 bolts in there. And I'm hoping I can get the exhaust off with it, to be fair. As you can see, I'm just going to have a general bit of a clean up. I'm going to paint all this up as well, and there's a few bits I want to do under there as well when I'm there. I might even get a new exhaust for it and just have everything running sweet as a nut. I know it's fully done. I know it's going to last years and years and years, because I never plan on selling this car, to be completely honest with you. So that's a short and sweet video. Yeah, not what I wanted to do, but it is what it is. So until next time, keep tuned in for this. There's going to be more car stuff popping up in it, more Beetle stuff, but also Viking things. Go over and check it all out in there, because I'm going to do a full, you know, every bit of work we're doing. I'm going to film absolutely everything, time lapse it so you can see all the bits, and hopefully do a couple of bit of tutorials as well for you about on the Beetle, because I know there are some on there and I've looked for some, but not really the stuff I want to see. You know, there's a lot of clickbaity sort of stuff, so let's bring some proper tutorials. And yeah, keep on solid in the lockdown. New videos coming every day. Boosh.